Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're tuning in for the first time, you are most welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, you are still welcome. I really do appreciate. Thank you for clicking on my video. So if you're watching me for the first time, my name is Mercy, and today in this particular video I won't be showing my face because I'm very busy, but I need to put out a content here, so I'll be doing more of recording. Okay, sweetheart, so don't be upset with me. But if you're watching me for the first time and you want to know who is talking, I have a couple of videos here on YouTube that I've shown my face. Just go to my channel and you get to see my funny face. And again, before I go into this video, before I talk about the comprehensive or give you guys a detail about this black soap, what is being added into it, because I want you guys to know what the black soap is all about, what you buy from these people, this skincare, this organic skincare formulators and everything. I want you guys to know. A lot of them don't tell you what they mix, but I'm sorry to say, if you are a skincare organic skincare formulator, I'm sorry to say that today your secret is out. And this video I'm going to reveal everything, so you guys need to know. See, seriously guys, some of these organic skincare formulators, some of them actually they are not certified. You know what I'm talking about. They literally have the real knowledge. They just sit in their rooms and mix everything and sell to you guys, and you buy it. So in that case, I'm here to review everything. Okay, you can literally actually do this by yourself if you watch my video from the beginning to the end, sweetheart. I am going to give you a detail, like a comprehensive video about this black soap. So please stick to this video. Make sure you watch it to the end. Don't skip any part, because I'm going to reveal all the secrets. If you watch my video from the beginning to the end, seriously, I'm sure maybe you can do this. If you are determined, you can mix your black soap by yourself. You don't need to go and be paying some of these skincare formulators, organic skincare formulator, because they are just like you. They are just like you. Okay, they are just like you. A lot of them don't have what it takes to be doing all this, and they are not certified, but they do this here on YouTube, and you guys pay money. They rebrand it and you pay heavy money. And apart from that, some of you get to buy these things and you damage your skin. A lot of them, even after all these things that they mix, they will now give you sunburn because they don't actually know what they are doing, and you buy. So please watch my video to the end, because if you watch this video, I'm giving you assurance that if you are determined, you can do this by yourself. So before I go into the video, please guys, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Hit on that red button below, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that anytime I upload a video, you will be the first to watch. Remember, even if you subscribe and you do not turn on the notification bell, you won't even know whether I upload a video or not. So sweetheart, make sure you do that. Make sure you do that, please. Make sure you subscribe and you turn on the notification bell. I also have my social media handles. Just go to my YouTube page, YouTube about section, and you see, oh, I have a Facebook group, I have a Facebook page, Twitter account, and Instagram account. Okay, so without wasting much of your time, let's get into it. So this black soap, if I call black soap, I mean it could be it could be African, it could be Ghanaian soap or Nigerian soap. I may probably be using this word interchangeably, maybe African soap or black soap or Ghanaian soap or Nigerian soap, but I'm referring to all black soap. Okay, so this black soap is a traditional soap. It is made from harvested African plants like cocoa buds, palm tree, plantain, shea tree barks. Now these ingredients are sun-dried and roasted, and that is the reason why this black soap has its own deep dark color. If you guys can see, all this black soap, African black soap, Nigeria, Ghana, all the soaps are actually very dark because of the source, how they are being produced. And these soaps, water is being added to it, and good oils like coconut oil, palm oil, shea butter are all added into this soup. And this soup is very, very good for sensitive skin. If you have a sensitive skin, sweetheart, I recommend this African black soup or Ghana or Nigerian soup for you. And this black soup helps you to get rid of fungi infection. If you have fungal infection on your skin, this black soup is going to help you get rid of it. And again, this black soup is going to help you fade acne. It's going to help you reduce the appearance of your blemishes, dark spots, and it's going to minimize your fine lines and wrinkles. So black soap actually have good benefits in it. So, and that's the reason why I told you guys from the beginning of this video that you shouldn't skip any part of this video, because if you watch this and you are determined, you can literally do this by yourself. Because a lot of people that are selling this, they are not certified. They just go for one-way training and they start doing all these things and they start selling to you guys. You don't even know what is being added. That's why most of them don't even write their ingredients on it, because they don't even want you guys to know, but you buy it and you use. Some even tend to give you pimples, sunburn, and the rest. So why not do it by yourself if you can have a video like this that explains everything? So in this black soup, there are things that are being added apart from that oil, because these oils are mentioned in that black soup. If you use the black soup alone like that, it's just going to work like it's just going to maintain your color. It's not gonna lighten you. So this organic skincare formulators, they have a technique, they have something they normally add into this black soups, and I'm going to mention these things to you so that you can as well do it. So number one, when they are making this black soup for clients, a lot of them, number one, what they add, I can tell you that 99% of them or 100% of them, what they add is Ghana white soap. This Ghana white soap is a kind of ladder. It's a kind of how like it is not ladder, sorry. It's white, it's boards, like it's round, just like white boards, it's round, and it contains unrefined coconut oil, shea butter, and palm kernel oil. The soap lathers very well, and it usually gets dark once you mix it. Like after a day or 2 days, you will notice that the soap won't be the same color like the first day you mix it. Once it's been kept for a long time or 2 or 3 days, it's changed color. But don't be worried about that. That is the nature of this Ghana white soap. That is how it's normally behave. That is it. So this soap is being added. The Ghana white soap is being added into the black soap, into the African or the Ghanaian or the Nigerian black soap. And the soap again, it's like I said, after that is the soap turns to get a bit darker, and this soap increase the lightening effect in your black soup. A lot of these people that makes the organic soups for you guys, this is what they use, because this soap forms well. This Ghana white soups helps in boosting the black soap lightening effect, and it forms very, very well. These are the part of the things they add in this black soap that you guys buy here and you know nothing about it. So that is what this organic skincare gurus does, and some of them call this Ghana white bar soap as a ladder booster, because it actually makes foam, like it makes foam when it's been mixed. So again, there's another thing they add, the 3 days whitening bars. This is also part of the lightening ingredient. This soap actually lightens the skin, because if you definitely when you contact any of these organic skincare formulators, being on YouTube, Instagram, or Facebook, they will ask you, what do you want? Which kind of shade do you want? And when you tell them, they will now determine how many 3 days whitening bars they are going to add into it. And these 3 days whitening bars, it doesn't mean it's going to lighten you in 3 days. Of course, it's not going to lighten you in 3 days, but it actually lightens. The more you add into it. For instance, if you add like 8 bars or 7 bars into your Ghana black or African black soap, it then means you actually want to lighten your skin so well. But if you just want to have this chocolate skin, they can just add like 2 or 3 bars of this 3 days whitening bars into your black soap and sell it to you. So I'm revealing this secret. If you are a skin if you are an organic skincare formulator, don't be upset. I just want to reveal everything here. Okay, so this is what these people add, and this 3 days whitening bars helps to lighten your stretch marks. At least you cannot clear your stretch mark 100%, but it will help to lighten it and reduce the appearance, the visible appearance of it. And it will also lighten your skin so well. So the more quantity you put in your black soap, the more it lightens the skin. Then the next thing they add here is anti-pimples bars. When you want to buy this thing from them, they will ask you, do you have pimples, or what do you want? A lot of you will start explaining to them, I want to get rid of my pimples, I want to do this. Yes, so these are the things they add to you. Once you tell them this, they will now add anti-pimples bars into the soap, into the black soap. And this anti-pimples bars help to clear your pimples and prevent other new pimples from coming out of your face. This is basically what this anti-pimples bars does, and they normally add them into their black soap before they sell them to you. And what they add and another thing they add here, in fact, one among the most important, in fact, the second important thing here is the ozone soap. This ozone soap has 3 types. It has a pink, blue, and yellow color. So, but it also serves the same purpose. But the most effective one that can lighten you so well, like super fast, is the ozone soap. Let me clarify something here, please. I've heard that some people use this ozone soap directly on their skin. Sweetheart, don't do that, because the lightening effect of this ozone soap is so much. It's too much. This ozone soap is too strong. Never in your life, don't use this ozone soap directly on your skin. You can pro-mix it, like you can add it into your black soap. This is what a lot of this organic skincare formulators does. They add it into their black soap and they sell it to you. If you tell them, because sometimes they even send the pictures of people that you want to get light like them. Maybe you want to you want to lighten your skin like them. They will show you the pictures. Do you want this kind of person's skin? Do you want this kind of person's skin? Just like the way some people does on Instagram or Facebook. Then when you tell them that, yes, I want this kind of shade, they will now have it in mind that, okay, this person wants this kind of shade, this person wants to lighten up to this extent. So in this case, this is what I'm going to add into this my black soap or African soap or Ghanaian soap or Nigerian soap to give this person this kind of shade the person is looking for. So most of them use this ozone soap. In fact, 100% of these organic skincare formulators, they use ozone soap to boost the lightening effect of the black soap. Because if black soap is not being added with all these ingredients I just mentioned, the black soap alone will not lighten your skin. That is the truth. Yes, because the lightening effect is not there. And when you want to do this black soap for kids, there's no need of adding all these things I just mentioned. You just need to buy the black soap alone and just use it for your kids. That is when it comes to the case of kids, because kids' skin don't need to be lightened. Don't damage your baby's skin. But if you want to add all this in, it then means maybe you are an adult and you want to lighten up. So this ozone soap is being used, and is it being used to boost the lightening effect in the black soap? This is what all the skincare gurus you see on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, this is what they add. And this ozone soap lighting so well. So like I told you guys, if you watch my videos in details, you can do it by yourself. You can do this by yourself, like, because I've tried to explain everything here. If you watch this video from the beginning to the end, you can actually do this by yourself. It's very simple. It's very simple, because some people get themselves into all these organic things, buying from people that are not even certified, that literally have the knowledge about it, and they tend to damage your skin. So if you could do that, I think you should just watch this video very well, maybe several times, and understand what I'm trying to say, and you can do it by yourself. So please make sure you subscribe to my channel and you turn on the notification bell, so that anytime I upload a content like this one, you'll be the first to watch. Okay, let's summarize everything. Like I said, if you are preparing your black soup, there are key things you need to add into it. Number one, you need to add your Ghana white soap. This Ghana white soap is like a foam booster. It makes foams. It makes the soap, helps the soap to make foam lather very well. To lather very well, and it has a lightening effect. And another one here they add is a 3 days whitening burst. The more you add, the more the lightening effect. Another one is the anti-pimples burst. It helps to it helps to clear the pimples, the ones that are already on your face, and it clears the dark spot as well. And another one here is the ozone soap, and the ozone soap lightens so well. In fact, this ozone soap is a key thing, and there are 3 of them, but the pink one is more effective. Okay, bye. See you in my next video.